Hey, this is Jeffrey, and today I'm going to show you how you would upload files to AP on a phone. So first, you want to go to collegeboard.org and sign into your account. And then once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see AP and click on the AP button. And from here, it should pull up your AP dashboard. So go ahead and click on whichever column you're submitting files to. Wait for it to log in. And the submission will be on a new tab at the top. So just click on My Responses, and you should see a Upload File button. So you have two options. The first is you can just take a picture right there. For example, I'm taking a picture of a calculator. And then wait for it to upload. This might take a bit of time. So you can go to the next problem at the top, and the second way to upload would be to take a picture ahead of time and have it saved to your camera roll. And then right there, just click the arrow at the top to get to the next problem. And then select the problem from your camera roll and submit it. And then you can press the submit button and turn in your work. So that's it.